Audience, are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Timer, are you ready? Cameras ready, Jason?
Yes.
Team, are you ready?
Yes. Timer, can you say like for the question answers, like at minute 4, like say that it's on 4, so we can do our conclusion.
So I have 1 minute left. All right, you're up. Team 9, launch.
Hello everyone, we are Polk Team 9. I'm Shinda.
I'm Destiny.
I'm Adarsh.
Melanie.
I'm Jason.
I'm Anna.
So the company we choose for, today for our presentation is Everlywell. This is our agenda. So first of all, we are going to introduce this company and the whole healthcare industry. Then we're going to discuss how these global strategies apply to this company. Step by step, we are going to give you our recommendations and the conclusion. So first of all, what is Everlywell? So this is an in-home health testing company which founded in 2015. And this company will provide the testing kits for customers. The customers send a sample to the Everlywell and get the results and report online. So let me introduce the value chain of this company's current business model. So from their website, you will find all the information of each test. For example, HIV test, sleep and stress test. They also provide the online customer service, which means you can ask any questions about their service in their website. After you purchase their products online, you will receive the sterile collection tools, which means you can collect your sample at any time you want in your home. Also, the instruction is easy to follow. Finally, when you get the reports from Everlywell, the reports are from CIA certificate labs and also will be reviewed by an independent physician. All the explanation from the report are actionable and easy to understand.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about the challenges in the healthcare industry faced in the country. As you know, the wait time. Today, there's an average wait time of 24 days to consult a physician. And if you talk about the high cost, there's high cost involved in the healthcare, especially in this country. As people tend to spend more money and also they want to live an active lifestyle, they're spending a lot of money. As the research predicts that there's going to be a rise in the next 5 years due to the inflation, due to a lot of spending of money. And if you're talking about the regulatory challenges, as we know that as the threat and uncertainty is more about to repeal the Obamacare Act, the healthcare providers, the insurers are worried about what's going to happen to the healthcare and also worried about the rise in costs in the future. And in the medical and technology advances, as you know that the physicians are focusing as due to the shortage of physicians in the country, they must focus more on developing low-cost alternatives to office visits and training and education challenges. As professional development is key in this industry, they need to focus more on developing their skills and to be more proficient. As their focus is only on provide traditional clinic interview with people with acute illness, they should focus more on the people with the normal diseases where they can have video calls with the patients.
Alright, so Everlywell certainly has many characteristics to be disruptive innovation. However, the main problems that we see are just getting a big enough market share, as well as the reliability of the results. As Adarsh said, there are many factors in the healthcare industry that come into play for companies like Everlywell. That being said, we feel that in order for Everlywell to become disruptive innovation, they need to partner with the healthcare industry, right? So these are the steps that we gotta take. So along the pyramid is the product itself. Everlywell's product is an in-home testing kit. We believe that partnering with the industry will give them more access to rural areas in the community. And then the non-consumer, these will be people who don't know what Everlywell is, people who are sick, have diseases, no access to healthcare or treatments. At this stage, I want to educate and just let them know exactly what Everlywell is and how they can help, and transform them into a consumer, right? And then the next one would be reliability and accessibility. We believe through various channels in Everlywell's platform strategy, which is something Destiny will touch on later. We believe that through those channels, they'll help reduce costs, increase sales, increase demand. And then finally, the peak of the pyramid is achieving becoming a sustainable innovation, right? And this is just coming together with everything beneath the pyramid, and Everlywell is recognized as part of the everyday life of the average consumer.
So far I'm team members, and we have painted a fairly dark picture of the healthcare industry, and surely Everlywell has some issues. So we applied scenario planning with all this people analysis as background based onto it to see how could the future of the industry could evolve. So we identified amongst like loads of the others 2 axes of uncertainties. The first one is the patent holding time. So currently there's this hard debate about patent holding time, which is currently 2 to 20 years. So whatever you invent for 20 years, nobody's able to put hands on it. So if that one would be reduced, it would be open gate to open source. And the other axis is the dominance of hospitals. So is the hospital to take place for the examination or is it at home? So these 2 axes heavily have influence on everyone as well. So that's why we created these 4 scenarios and we named them positively. So not to make you fall in love with one of them, but with all of them, because we really don't know which direction goes. So to reduce the bias of it. The first one is the state of the art. So with open source in hospitals, every hospital has the same standards. So wherever you go, you can expect like everybody is on top and the technology is like what you get. The second one is the new market. So it's not anymore that it's hospital where you go to, but it's at home, it's in private business, it's wherever you may need. And this has the new market, it addresses private companies, and distant diagnosis will be a go-to address. The third one is protecting the core values. So we have the patents 20 years time, and the hospital is the place to go to for the examination. Whatever you did before was still there, and the patient is heavily dependent on the professional's advice, and we expect there will be medical hubs. So the best hospitals will attract those most patients. And the fourth one is I'm my own doctor, so it's no longer in hospitals but at home, but patients are still in place. This means maybe that unorthodox treatments may come in place, but also a parallel universe come up. So saying, do I go to the doctor at all, but I have alternative medicine, I know can consult my family. Well, we have some weak signals identified for it. So everything around the hospital and around the pattern, of course, for these scenario axes, but in our appendix you can see more elaborate axes of uncertainty. Going for this example, what about the rise of specialty clinics? What about the hospital rating websites? So if there were no difference between the hospitals, we wouldn't need any rating sites. And what about the utility patent applications? Because everything that goes into medical healthcare is a utility patent. And what we found fairly interesting is the tech guidance patents. For example, Apple wants to turn the iPhone into a medical device. So if they wouldn't do a patent on this and made it open source, that would definitely help to increase, like, go into one direction of the industry.
So we were thinking, how can we apply these 4 scenarios to our current value chain? We picked up 4 of them, as Melanie already said, and we added all the related things you can see on the slide. For example, in the first scenario, our move will be into collaboration with physical stores and pharmacies. In the second one, our close interaction with doctors. In our third scenario, we will go more to B2B business, and in our fourth scenario, we will be extended range of products and tutorials. But we didn't want to just work on each scenario like separate, so we wanted to join them into one extended value chain. What we did, we found similarity between 4 scenarios and then created our extended value chain on the next slide. Here you can see our extended value chain. So our suggestion was to add some more things to the value chain. For example, make ratings of doctors or suggested reading list available for the customers through our website. And for example, at the second stage, you can upload the prescription and add first aid kit for your purchase. And for example, at the fourth stage, you can receive your medicine, not only the results, but also the medicine. But the question is, this extended value chain, is it enough for every well to recover, to become profitable again?
And that answer is no. The problems that Everly face in the healthcare industry are due to the restrictions and barriers to entry. Yes, Everly Well is becoming a disruptive innovation, as Jason stated, but with our platform strategy, it can help create partnerships and also can help create where they can become a better company. A platform strategy is a multi-dimensional, multi-channel way for a business to increase their core values. So yes, Everlywell can continue doing business as they are doing now, but they will be the same, and they will have weaknesses, as Mel stated, of liability and accessibility. So our solution is to use the platform strategy, and this would not only make Everlywell a better company, but it also aligns with Everlywell's mission, which is to provide healthcare to everyone in the healthcare industry, as Adar stated, which is a problem in the American healthcare industry. So any more questions and answers?
We have 4 minutes of questions answered.
How does this platform strategy, first, could you go back? Can you explain to me what this stuff on your right means? And then the question that I want to know is, how does this platform strategy perform in the 4 different scenarios that you described?
Okay, so when you look about platform strategy, it's multidimensional. And it also increases the company's core values. So you have value creation, you have connection, you have partnerships, and you have communities. So when I look at platform strategy, it's customized to a company. So with using all these connections, it's a patent to the doctor. With using convenience, it will help create value creation. With using clinics and lobbies, it would help with partnerships. And with using patent form and community, this will help Everly, because like right now, they're an okay company, but with using our platform strategy to help create a better solution, it will help them create accessibility, which is right now, a lot of people don't know about that, and reliability, because they have flaws sometimes in their results. So that's why we said our solution is the platform strategy.
I'm still not in my head envisioning what this actually means. If Everlywell were a platform, how would me as a user, how would I experience Everlywell differently?
At least you would experience it in itself, because right now the industry doesn't want to be disrupted, because there's these companies that have a high investment on their infrastructure or like research, and they want to have the return on that investment. With this platform strategy, you combine all of these who are against it and just make it part of it. So Everlywell has at least an access towards the patient. And as you see here, like with the partnerships, the clinics and lobbying, without them, they wouldn't do it. And parts of all the scenarios we painted out heavily depends on like putting more value towards the client. And if it was for the platform strategy, it couldn't have, like Everlywell doesn't have the resources to do it. And by opening it up, getting help from others, they can evaluate on that.
You guys okay if I keep asking? You're defending the platform strategy. I still don't understand what it means. So don't worry about the defense yet or the justification. Back me up and say, if I'm a customer, how do I get a home health care kit? How is life different for me as a customer if you make this change?
Well, the healthcare industry right now is not accessible for everyone. So it's kind of more like the government wants to make money. So it's kind of for like middle class and high class. What Everly is trying to do, they're trying to make it accessible for everyone. So you don't have to go to the doctor, which then you have to get blood taken, then you have to get an HIV test. Rather, they're just trying to do, here's a healthcare kit. This is how you can solve your solution. So it kind of makes access to the low income, middle income, and high income people.
Isn't that what they're doing before they have a platform strategy? Isn't that what Everlywell is doing right now?
They are, but it's not really as successful.
So how is this different? How would my experience getting an HIV test be different if you adopted a platform strategy?
It introduced more channels, more possibilities, for example, for customers to know about the company. As we always stated, like current value chain is not enough for Everlywell to succeed. So, for example, it will be more spread. If you go to pharmacy, you can find it. If you go online, you can find it. If you go to hospital, you can still find it. So it will be like better spread to the customers and to the market.
I think also another thing on that is just that insurance, Everlywell is not part of insurance, but we feel that we can merge it into that industry. So for example, if I don't have health insurance and I want Everly, it won't be covered. Right? Exactly. So with that in mind, partnering with the industry in general will allow it, like the service to be spread around more and more accessible.
Answer?
Mostly.
What's missing?
So then take me, so let's assume I got my head around some of this, take me to the scenarios. How does this perform in the 4 scenarios you talked about?
Okay, go back to the first scenario.
We were trying, like in both scenarios, we were trying to find out like all the possible solutions, all the extensions we could do.
Yeah, like your scenarios, right?
Yeah.
Not this one. This is like the worst. You were
This one.
talking about this, right?
Oh, yeah, back.
You guys are making my head hurt.
Here
Go
are
back,
both
go back
scenarios.
one.
This one?
No, back one. Back one. Here.
Okay.
You're telling me that the world might move in 1 of 4 different directions. How does your desire to have a platform strategy perform in each one of these different 4 worlds?
At the core of our platform strategy is the network, which MIB has with clinics. So either if it's like just going for this axis, for the high dominance of the hospitals, they have to work closely with the hospitals, because otherwise a doctor would not recommend Abliwa as a practice to examinate if they have their own things in here. But otherwise, if you have it at home or in other facilities, Abliwa has to work with them, otherwise it wouldn't be present. So this is like where to, and if it's open source, like when the patent holding time is reduced, Abliwa can benefit from the open source and let other people help them do better in their reliability of the test. And if it's still like closed, they have to work closely with the lobby who is holding like today the patent to go better with their reliability and accessibility for the market.
Is that what you just described, though, I think, is how Everlywell's current product would react to those 4 scenarios. My question is, how does the platform strategy, if you change what Everlywell does that still do well within each of these 4 scenarios? Are some scenarios better for the platform strategy than others? Would this strategy fail in any of these different possible scenarios?
To our platform strategy, we try to like make a unit of this. So we try to find the similarities and to make our strategy full for each of them. So for each movement, it will suit. That was our plan.
Okay, thank you. I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're bringing right past your minute, so grab your minute.
Okay, so now,
You're out of time.
Yeah.
Q&A. So, but you wanted a minute, so I'm giving you guys the minute because I stole it.
so to wrap it up one more time, we strongly believe that the platform strategy is the thing that go to, and Everlywell will be not a provider of the home testing kits, but making the platform to everything, so making combined like a virtual marketplace for the healthcare industry. The problems really was the significant market share and the reliability of the test, and we want to compete with that to do the network with the partners, because otherwise we don't think the healthcare industry will be disrupted if not working closely with those who are dominant in the healthcare industry at the moment.
Take a few minutes to fill out the form, describe what they did well, and describe what you think that they could do better if they live their lives over again, and I may just be a part of it. And while you're doing that, let me say to this team, I was asking you guys hard questions, and you stuck